guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy. If you've never seen my channel, hello. Today I am doing this purple, colorful, cute cut crease, lashes makeup look. If you guys want to know how to recreate it, then just keep on watching. Today we will be using a new palette. I already used it twice actually, and this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one here. Look at the nice shadows. Look at all those pretty shadows. So today I'm going to be doing like a purple smoky eye, and let's see how it goes. This purple shadow here, this like lilac one here, and I'm going to be placing that all over my crease. I really like this palette. I've already used it twice, and it's a very affordable palette. Like, I went to Sephora and I was trying to find a colorful palette at the store. I didn't want to order one online, and I couldn't find anything with these many colors. So what I did is I went to Target and I went to go get this palette, and it was only $17.99 for all these shadows, because of 16 shadows, and I think it's a pretty good deal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Morphe M433, and I'm going to put this shadow here on the crease as well. Ooh, this is a little bit more pink. Now with the same M433, I'm going to dig into this deeper purple, and this one I did have a little bit trouble. There's some fallout, and I felt like last time that I was putting it in and blending it on, it was just blending the color away. So I feel like I kind of have to pack the color, and then just slowly blend, but like in packing motions. Did you see the fallout? Going back with that Morphe M502, and I'm blending those in again. Grabbing like that fuchsia shade once more, and I'm gonna blend it right under my eye. Now I'm gonna take a clean flat brush here. This is a Morphe M705, and I'm taking some of my foundation, and I'm gonna just clean up the crease just a bit. I am going to grab a flat shader brush again. I'm going to use another one of my BH palettes, and I'm going to take this one and these two here, the second and the last, and I'm going to pack that on here. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back.
Right.
Turn it off.
Okay.
No. Okay guys, so I just finished my eyes. I did apply some lashes. I forgot the name of these, but I'll link them down below.
Down below.
And then I did like a little cut crease moment here. I think she's looking good. What do you think, Bob?
She's looking fire.
Okay, now we're going to move on to foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in 112 Natural Ivory. This one I've tried it before, and it's very matte. I really liked it. And I kind of have to say I like it more than this one and the Fenty.
Why,
so,
baby?
I don't know, I just like how it wears. And I'm going to apply this with a Morphe M439 brush. Like very full coverage. Like when I go to work, I only use like half a pump for my whole face. And I have a big face. When I did prime my face, I used the Smashbox primer. It's like the clear gel one, and the Benefit Porefessional. So now I'm going to use this Bright Future Sephora concealer. And I'm just going to put that here. On the bridge of my nose. On my forehead. My chin. And right here my cupid as well. And then I'm going to blend that out with a different brush. This one here. I doesn't have any money, but oh well. Just going to do like light patting motion. Bless you.
Thank you.
And then just going down on here like this. Okay, now I'm going to take these two brightening shades from the Shade and Light palette. And I'm just going to brighten up my under eye. So we went to the Bad Bunny concert. It was so much fun.
How fun though.
So much fun. And he liked my boyfriend's picture.
Savage.
And I was like, I have 5 likes, so that one of them is mine, right? Oh, sorry. And I'm like, who liked it? It says Bunny Powers right there. With a little check mark right there. Bunny Powers with the check mark. Bad Bunny's page. What? I was hella shook. I was like, Bob, he liked our picture.
No, you weren't.
But I was like, he liked it. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze my face with this contour shade from the Kenia Ontiveros. And let's go ahead and bronze. Well, I didn't even set my face. Jesus. I'm gonna set it with the Sephora Matte Perfection powder in 14 Linen. Okay, now that I set my face, I'm gonna bronze it up. I really like this bronzer. I'm gonna take all 3 of these, just on the edge, and then like that. Like that. My eyes getting really watery. With the Kenia Ontiveros, and I'm gonna, well, lately, you know what I've been doing? I've been grabbing this one, and I put it on the apple of my cheek. I've heard, like, from her rouge, that if you put an orange one before you put the pink, then I'm using the pink one here, it just makes it pop more, you know? So let's go ahead and try. Choose right. Now time for some highlight. I'm gonna take lights, and I'm gonna take, well, let's take lights first, and then we'll see where it goes. Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade 203. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay guys, well, this is the finished makeup look. If you guys like this makeup look and you guys want to see more colorful makeup looks, then give it a thumbs up and just comment down below. And yeah. Bye.
Hmm?
Did you see how I was blending?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you blend to the haters. Just like that looks good. You can't tell me it isn't.
Wow.